Hmm?
Why am I feeling like I'm going to want to punch you?
Don't know. No, it might be in the glove box.
It's a snake, I'm going to kill you all. There's nothing in the glove box.
Isn't there?
Nope.
You sure?
Yes.
Where's the key?
In my hand.
Guess what? That's yours.
Nuh-uh.
Happy
Definitely.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Serious. That's yours.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, it will be. I want to kill you both.